Another video. Today is me, Rafi, and welcome to another video. We're doing geometry building week number 1. I know, I think a lot of you know wulzy, a geometry creator who retired 9 months ago, and I want to really recreate everything that he did. So I think I should do what he did. So from today, we're gonna do geometry building week. So let's start. This is geometry building week number 1. You guys have made a cool layout, so I'm gonna show you what I've done. So let's bring our camera on. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I played this block, and then also, if you go to the deco, I played the speed to be -1. I made the game to be a robot, okay? So yeah, and then here, you're gonna see that I've put this. These two has a trigger of 1 and 4. So guys, trigger number 1, activate the 2 alpha. That is gonna be a loop alpha that you can see. Do a loop like this. See, it does a loop like this. Very good loop actually. Then I put a rotation of a camera rotation of 360 degree with a easy out. So it's gonna rotate. And also I add a zoom in and out just for 0.1 second. You see it's gonna zoom in for a little bit, and also I add up black pulls right here so that it pulls for when you jump for one, so there's gonna be a black pull. And we have an arrow trigger that can change your gravity. But it's this way. So if you go, you could jump over the double spike with this gravity. Jump and then become again normal and go up. That's it. And also these are 4 because I'm gonna actually wait, where is, so what I'm adding for, because we're gonna go right here and then we're gonna add a rotation trigger with a we're gonna do a 360 degree, and it's gonna be 360 one time. It's gonna be 360 degree one time for 1 second. And also I'm also gonna add the star right here, the invisible with body of 5, and also add it to extra with height. And then also we're gonna go up here, set this to be the center to be 5, okay, and this guy is gonna be 4. So and this will see 360 degree in about 2.5 seconds. It's too long actually. Wait, 360 for 0. For about 1 second, I guess. So do it 360 degree for 1 second. So now if we go, you can see it's gonna do a 360 degree. But we don't want that, so we're gonna actually make this 360 degree right here for 0 seconds. So we're not gonna do it after we do it. So we're gonna do a 360 degree just before this. Wait, we need to see the rotation actually. It's gonna be a 360 degree. So wait. Oh wait, there's no second, okay. For about 1 second actually. Do a 360 degree, 1 time rotation for about that amount of time, and then go normal, okay? Good. So now what we're gonna do is, for that thing, we go change the rotation of this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a fake thing. So we're gonna actually select this block again, whole block, and we're gonna make a copy and paste. After that, we're gonna go up right here with this, and then we're gonna actually add this to be just like this. So we're gonna actually add be just like this with that. These guys actually put it down and then copy and paste them just like this. Wait a minute, and then we're gonna add. So if they tap, so you can see if they tap immediately, they're gonna actually die because we're gonna add this spike pillar right here. But I'm gonna add this yellow orb. We're gonna add this yellow orb right here, okay? So we're gonna add this red orb, then we're gonna do pink orb at the end. Actually, okay. So I made a new idea. You can see I add after that thing. You can see that we add this pillar that you can jump into, and we add this green orb with this part go up. So what we're gonna do is we can actually die right here, and I also just shake with that mouse thingy. gonna do a very hard shake. You're gonna go. Wait, what the f? So, oh my gosh, you can see. So after that, we're gonna actually add this. Okay, we're gonna actually add these and these and this and this, and then we're gonna add this. We're gonna add all of these to the next free 6 group ID. Because after we're gonna actually add a toggle. Toggle actually makes the ID to go up, out actually. So we're gonna add this toggle right here. See? We're gonna now give this toggle group ID of 6 with a touch trigger. So now we can see if we go like this and do this, we're gonna actually what's then this is gonna go up. But then what we're gonna do is we're gonna also add another move trigger right here. Wait, okay, my charge is going up, so please. So we're gonna add a move trigger right here, but you can see it's like a little ouchie, so we're gonna actually go to it, and we're gonna add it to be a touch trigger. And we're gonna actually now add, so now we're gonna add 2 blocks right here, okay? Which are gonna be the next free 7. Now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means it's 110 blocks. So we're gonna add this. So we're gonna go to this guy. And we're gonna add to Y. We're gonna write 110 with about we're gonna actually add it to be touched. And wait, group ID of number 6. Sorry, it's 7, right? What's the group ID of this? Oh, we did that. So next is next is 7. So this guy, the group ID of 7. Wait, what is these? 6. Now they're gonna go. Now this guy is gonna go. No. We're gonna add a little bit of time for that. We're gonna add it to be bounce. We're gonna bounce in actually. So play now. Play now. You're gonna see the block. Wait. Okay, wait. So the block is not seeing right there. It's uncomfortable. We're gonna add a group ID of 8. Wait, sorry. 8 actually. Next we want, and we're gonna actually add a alpha right here. Add a alpha. We're gonna add a alpha right here. It's gonna be 0 with a group ID of 8. Touched actually. And copy this guy right here. Also being touched, and you know what it to be 0.5. Okay. So now if you can see this, so this guy, seeing what if you never let wait what? Then we add a group. Wait, just a group of 8. So we start. We're gonna see this. It's enabled, and for that, wait. For that thing, you can see. Right, you can see. Okay, so you actually enable. We need to make the time wheel down actually. My God. Now if we start the game, you can see that. But as we go, what? Let's make this 0. So if we go right here, we're gonna actually go up. We're gonna press. What the frick? Go up and do this. We press it. Go up, and then we need to click the gravity again. For that, we're gonna do a spike shenanigans. Take both of them. Wait, let's go to show. Wait, choose this. Go to a new layer actually. The layer actually makes it to me. So now we can go to layer and we can actually add this thing that we have to double jump. After we choose here, we're gonna go the next to the group 9. We're gonna now add we're gonna add a new alpha with everybody of 9 with 0 opacity. Now see the spikes. There are spikes right there. See? And I'm going to do the same right here again. Wait 10 minutes. It's alpha to be, wait no. Good this to be 9. We touched. We're gonna actually make this to be sewn right around here. Okay? Put it down. If we start, we're gonna actually see the 360 rotation. See the spikes right there, actually. I'm gonna do a 360 rotation, do the spike, do what? We late jump actually. Okay, so just late jump. What is happening? Are we double tapping it? Wait, no. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, I don't know, bro. Let's move it a little bit actually, wait. Should work right now, right? I don't know, bro. It's not working, oh my gosh. Are we now? It's working, guys, it's not working, oh my god. So now there's no way to skip it right now. What if we don't? Okay, wait. They tapped it. What? We tapped it? Okay, now it's happening. Okay. So now what we're gonna do? Right here. Let me just copy this thing right here. Now wait. Doesn't change it. Just like just like it. What? Oh my gosh. What? My god, this is so hard, bro. Sometimes it works, I mean, it doesn't work. Like, what? We tapped it, bruh. Who taps it, bro? I don't tap it, bro. Like, it's automatic, I guess. We don't tap it, guys. Are we just... I think it's like auto, I guess. What? Wait, all we can do is actually, okay, so plan right here. Actually choose this thing, okay? I'm gonna put this to the next free group, so we're gonna go. So the next free group is actually 10, so wait. The next free group is 10, so like, we're gonna go. Wait. So we go to edit special. This is set up teleport, so we're gonna go here. Add a group ID to be 9. Sorry, not 9. It's gonna be group ID. It's gonna be 10. I ignore everything. so we don't need to add the smooth ease. And then we're gonna go and add another one right here. That has to be the next group idea of wait, let me tell 10. Okay. So should be a drop strip, I guess. Oh wait, but it doesn't change thing. Let's just add this to be next one. Alright. It worked! Let's go! We did it! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Let's go! It worked, guys! It worked. Okay. Now we are in a normal track. So first of all, we're gonna be very easy. I have a copyable of this. Yeah, we have this guy. It's from one of the editor series. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So we're gonna actually choose this one. We're gonna go to edit group and we're gonna add to the first color. So we're gonna actually make this a red color. So look at the tap here. So you see the hue mixed, but base to me. So now we're gonna do the colors. So the next is gonna be so we're gonna add this to be actually a dark blue. One and number two. So number one is number two is just is it mixed, I guess? What's happening? So we're gonna actually go and just to be like a bluish color. Yeah. What's happening? Okay, so we add this color. So we're gonna go this thing. So we're gonna actually add this. Let's go and copy values. You can do this. Copy this color. Now we can use this as for designs. Put it right here. So we can actually add this right over here. And then we can actually go here, add this red pad. That's gonna launch us up. So let me put a start pose. So see, let's go. Wait. Let me put a start pose. Let me put a start pose. Okay, if you put a start pose, it does the opposite. You can put a start pose, but it does it. So what we're gonna do is first of all, we're gonna actually add this. So what is this? It's easy now actually. So first of all, we're gonna delete this guy. There's not gonna be no triggers, but now we need to add a hitbox. So what we can do, we're gonna take all of this thing, copy, hit this guy, and add to a new editor. So now in editor now layer number 0 in the block. So first of all, we're gonna add these. Wait, what the f is wrong with me, bro? No, these guys, just like this, and it's gonna make. So now we're gonna actually. So now we're gonna go down and do this. So now we can go right here and then put it, paste it like this. So we can actually go down and then so select this, copy and put it down here. So now you can see we have a layout, but first we need to know this one. So now you can see we have this cool thing. Stays. So to make it work, we're gonna do is do a new trigger actually. We're gonna do a new trigger. That's called. So we're gonna now do trigger. We have the background trigger. This trigger can use for very good position and designs. First of all, we're gonna put this background right here. We're gonna change the background. Like you can see, we have the normal background. Wait, we need to choose our normal background first. So we can go this here and go to the background. We can actually add a background. Let's choose this one actually. I think yeah, it's very cool. Okay, if you choose plus button, you can do this. Let's make it dark blue. Yeah. Choose the ground. Let's choose it. This one actually, it's very cool. The ground one and ground two. We don't have the ground, so if we can go show ground. Show the ground. We can actually add this. The two grounds. The first one we're gonna add will be red, I guess. Minty red, yeah, red. And the next one prefer to be, I guess, green, yeah. Like Minecraft a little bit. Cool actually. So we're gonna actually now do choose the background. So we can actually have this one I really like. And also we have the ground. So let's choose this one and also add the new. Let's see. Let's use I guess this one, yeah. So let's just put this coal right here. Oh no, we go right here. The color, the background. We fade in. And it will fade in it. Yeah. Okay. Like 1.50, I guess. Yeah, 1.50 is correct. And this will be new color, I guess. Get it purplish. Copy it upwards, and then we're gonna make this to be the ground one, which is a little bit yellowish, yellow. Seems a bit yellowish, or like light blue, yeah. Blending it. Which copy color we're gonna actually do is copy color is gonna be the object color. So now you can see. So ground is gonna be the copy color object. We're gonna do a little bit brighten the additive and the saturation a little bit and a hue. The copy color of the object. So the object color is very. You can see it's copy color of the object. So the object. Wait. Okay. Wait. What's happening? Wait. Oh. Not one we're gonna not do the copy color right now because it doesn't make. Okay, down that. That's fine actually. Fine. I'm gonna do this here with this guy. Now if you start after that, you will see there will few change actually. Oh, so that's actually cool, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make a section of the ship game mode. Okay. Before I'm gonna teach you another thing, but before that we're gonna actually choose this and go all the way up. Make it slide it in because now they're changing. Okay. Now you can see all the things. So we're going to make the ship, but before that, you need to choose all of this. You can actually make a copy and choose it just like this, and then we're gonna actually like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Guys, I'm gonna introduce a new block effect actually. If you want to know it, it's gonna be the BPM trigger and also in a new block named F block. But if you want to know the BPM, so we're gonna first of all to do the BPM, we're gonna go select song. We're gonna select the song ID. I use this song named a rendition of Johnny Quest. It's a cool song like here. I heard it right now. There's no beats. So we're going to start the offset 0.5, I guess. The fade in. See, so we're gonna actually use this one. So with the sound right now. So we're gonna now go all the way up here and we're gonna use the BPM trigger right here. It's actually used in the sound effects. So let's start using it. So in this BPM you can see these little lines. These are the beats that you can see, so there's a little pulse. So if you like delete this thing, if you like delete this, you see there's no line, but if you put it, so you're gonna add a pulse right here, pulse, and then we're gonna go to the fade. Make it 0.1 fade. It's gonna be like a reddish, a purplish fade, I guess. Like yeah, purple fade. It's gonna be the background actually. Purplish fade. The BPM to be very est. So it'll be 0.50, I guess. So or like 0.25. Like 50 is too much, I guess. Yeah. You can see 0.25 is also too much. Too slow. So 30. 30. Okay, 30 is okay. So we're gonna choose 30 and we're gonna copy this thing and put it right here. Another 30. Now you're gonna see now if you now, so what we're gonna do is gonna choose both of these, go to this tab, make a new color. We can actually add it to be green, I guess. So it's HSB color or HSB color. Target blue. And we're gonna hold it for 8 and it's gonna be, so we're gonna, there's no group, it's gonna be background actually, PG. And we're gonna actually go here and go to this tab and create a loop. So now I'm gonna see purple and green. Yes, here. So now I'm gonna do is introduce you to the F gameplay, the F trigger actually. The trigger is in here. See D, J, S, H, and F. So we're gonna learn about this later, but first we're gonna learn about the F. We're gonna actually go to a new tab. F trigger actually is just like the blue orb that can make you change your gravity. If you actually tap it, you can actually just the one tap is you're gonna be stick with it. It is like the new 2.2. Like if you go out right here, right? It's actually this one actually no dash. It's like this, you know. So it's in this way you don't know the ball part. That's long, I guess. So it's just that one. Obviously. So what we're gonna go is go to number 2. We're gonna have to make this invisible. So now after you do it, we can add a green orb, I guess. I like to use these guys. If you enable the hitboxes, you're gonna see it. They are very, very, very cool. I like to use these guys because they are very. We're gonna actually add this. Okay, so we're gonna now learn these two the same position, and then we're gonna select these dot, this, just like this. Select it again, copy and paste it. This one too. A little bit of enabling and yeah. Wait, okay. You need to remember these spots that you don't fill up. Like you can actually scale up these both. Let me just scale up. You must scale up a little bit. Like okay, just scale up by this one. Scale up by one. It's still too much, but we have nowhere to. We need to fill up those gaps. Push, push. Like push, push. But you can actually put it to be the norm. Even though it doesn't make sense, but if you zoom out, you can see there's gonna be a little back gap. Just push these guys and also this guy. Just push it a little bit. These two inner. So now we have these cool block of 7 objects only. So we can actually now use these. My gosh. Now if you now see, oh my gosh, oh my god. Okay, preview what I'm gonna change preview. Oh my gosh, bro. So we need to also enable the J blocks. If you didn't know what is J block, you should write now. But before that, we're gonna actually go to set make it not hard actually, and we can actually do this to chain it up. So if you select one, select all. Also use a J block right now. So go to this tab. You can see it's J block. Select all of them. You can select 3 of them and make it. So J block is enables to jump, so you cannot jump anymore. Even if you try. So only it will happen if this also helps. It also helps. My gosh, oh my gosh. See? It enables and we can now jump. That's a trick. We did actually jump right now. Okay, yeah, we jumped, okay. So we can actually add, wait, what if we don't jump? It's gonna like fall right there. We're gonna actually add another pillar. Just right here. Pillar right here. And I'm gonna add this. So it's gonna be very heartbreaking if because we're gonna make the ship part. But before that, we need to go and show ground is gonna be enabled. So we cannot see the ground. And we're gonna actually use the area move trigger right now. But before we use it, we need to indicate that you need to jump. You can also be killed by them. But you're gonna be in a ship. You're gonna be in a slow ship. So slow ship. But you're still gonna be a ship. There's gonna be a ship up there. But we need to actually add a zoom out trigger right here. So we're gonna go right here and make the zoom out trigger. Zoom out. So now the camera will zoom out for a little bit. If you jump, you zoom out. Zooming out. Zooming out. So we're gonna actually now I'm gonna copy these guys all over the level. You see, this is building week number 1, I guess, but these being so, I think it's gonna be super long. So now we're gonna actually now go. No, not like. So we're gonna choose the whole Junie thingy. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go up and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do is something like the area move. To do that, we're gonna group all of these. Next free. Okay. We can actually go right here. Group these the next free 13. And all of these to be the next free 14. So now we can add the area move trigger. Here is it. I'm actually go area move, make length a little bit, move this a little bit, and up. Actually, you can go up. Player 1 with the target to be 12. Let's see the word actually. What 2 minutes? And this to be free mode. Why aren't these going? Don't wait. Why aren't these? Oh my gosh! Why aren't these coming, guys? Wait. Why aren't the move triggers coming, bro? Wait. Oh my god! They have to move by 13. These have to be by 14. Now these have to be by 12. My gosh, bro, there's no way. Oh my freaking god. No, wait, why are they going down? Wait, what? Did I just did wrong something? Oh yeah, they have to be down. So now we're going to go like this, and all of these have to go by 12. So now we can do this. See, all of them are coming right now. So what do we have to do? We have to do the same thing to really copy and paste. See, that's a cool effect, right? Actually do the same again, but I'm not thinking of that again. So we're gonna add one pillars. One. We're gonna actually add one time. This will be a critical state flight. We're gonna do this critical state flight. That we're all gonna work on. So we're gonna choose all the pillars. Next free is gonna be 13, so we're gonna give the 13 ID. So what are these actually? These are the 14th. Okay. Juni. So these are everybody of 14. Let's actually do the same in this one. So same one. This time with easy now. I guess. This time we're gonna go. It'll go up. Correct, just up. So we're just be 13. These, all of these. 13. I'm gonna save. We're gonna just copy and paste it. And huh? Okay. Oh my god, guys, I can't end this video right now, but we need the next free to be 15 right now. 15th. 15 right now because we're gonna do this. Copy and 8 tier is gonna go down. This time with a 15 group. You should work with it, right? Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Just at a straight line. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa, bro, that's so. That's not straight. That's what we're gonna actually do. Idea is like, guys. Wait. Select one of these guys first, actually. I don't want to make that much hard because this is my first tutorial, building week actually. And then I'm gonna select these guys. One down. So now space. Next video we're gonna do a rotation with saw blades and much more. And also some block designs, I guess, because you see these are so ripped. So. And I think we can add the zoom in this time. So let's add it. Zoom in a little bit. Even though we have, so now it's gonna zoom in a little bit. We're gonna see every single thing. So yeah, we're done right here. Wait, we can even do this last one actually. And then we can actually add these. Be right here. And right here. And then right here. And then do this. Do this. Do this. And this and this, or we can just select them all, copy them, go up, copy them, go to the body, select 15 this time. And let's change the game mode, I guess, change it to the UFO. Wait, no, we cannot change it to the wave. Change it to the wave right this time. To the whole thing, and we can just push it a little bit down. Yeah, but that was gonna be hard actually. So let's see normal. Oh, how is how good is normal? That's easy idea. Whoa. It was hard. Let's not fall that way. Oh gosh, it's hard. Guys, it's hard. Junior hard. God, okay. This thing. Can I add an alpha trigger? Yeah, we can add the alpha. Yeah. We can add the alpha. Like this thing. And I just select it and make it this enormous like this. Make this enormous. We're gonna add this to be next free 16 with a high demo. Wait, no. Make this 16 group with no higher. Yeah. Why am I triggering? We're gonna just make this for 16. Now it's gonna be easier. So I'm not going. So we're ending this build week. Next building is gonna be very good. So bye, peace.